for, I don't know, he spent 5 or 6 years with the Navajo, 5 or 6 years with the Apache. And so he learned all these languages, all these Native American languages.
Impressive.
He spoke them fluently, but the only way most of them could communicate was with just using the Indian Sign Language. And so he started to make comparisons with a lot of the petroglyphs. Because those other animals, they just weren't here. The Bighorn Sheep, they were here, and they were the #1 animal that was hunted by all these tribes that were here. And the reason is because they could avoid Indian predation. All they had to do is run up on these rocky cliffs here and stand there and look at the Native American down below with his bow and arrow or his battle. You know, and that was a good way to avoid predation. Well, other animals like deer.
There's 5 of them, she said.
Oh my gosh.
If you had a bobfly in your hand, I would catch you.
Wow. Oh, yeah. He wants his picture.
So why did he come up?
I don't think he might not be.
Maybe he's guarding his...
Hi there.
Is there?
Well, they'll headbutt you. I wouldn't get too close.
So he came up and then try and go back down again?
Yeah, he's going.
Sure they do. You know, that's how they find it. I'm sure that's part of it.
So nice. Stay there.
Look at how steep it is.
Yeah.
They just come up and look at the angle.
And then he's going to come over and say, I need some money.
Yes.
He's looking for another way.
Well, I think
He's
Water.
looking for another way.
he knew we were coming. Isn't it gorgeous?
He's going to go down.
Just perfect. Straight out of
Yeah.
National Geographic.
Not sure if he could make it.
He did it once.
So why did he come back up?
Mountain goat. He's trying to get there. He used to follow the roads. He wants them to be
Look at
There
this.
we go. No, we're getting
They made it look easy.
Hello, this is Ed Getley. Today is December the 4th, 2017, and I'm here not in Death Valley, but somewhere else out here. I forget the name of it. I'll put it up on the video when I find out where it was. But we were at Mouse Tank, a few other places. The sun is coming in and out. It was cold and windy in the morning. Now it's warming up a little bit, less windy, so I'm getting hot. And I got all this paraphernalia on me, but I'm out here in Nevada. And beautiful scenery, beautiful day. So this is Ed Getley signing off. See all you folks later. All right, bye-bye.